Hello and welcome to another Patchogue-Medford library tutorial. Today we're going to be making not just regular slime, but magnetic slime. In front of us we have the glue and we have starch, which you use in normal slime making, but to the left we have iron oxide. And you can mix the iron oxide with the slime in order to be reacted to a magnet, like the small one that we have right in front of these three containers. Start by adding 1/4 cup of white glue. You just want to pour that right in there in your container. And what you also want to do, if you have an extra spoon lying around, you just want to scrape off the sides. The next ingredient we're going to be adding is 2 tablespoons of our iron oxide. You want to be very careful here, since iron oxide, as you can see, can cause stains to your hands and your clothes. I'm going to add this in. Next, you want to stir these two ingredients together. You should have a color that is reminiscent of an Oreo cookie crumble. This is the color of our mixture once that's been fully mixed. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of liquid starch. And we're going to mix this around. I'm going to show some footage now of me stirring this around. You're going to start to see it getting more gooey and slimy. Let's see if I can get a good picture over here. There you go. As you can see, it's starting to get a little bit hard to pull from the bowl. Try stirring with the other hands. Maybe you can see a little bit better. We really want to keep stirring until the liquid starch is thoroughly integrated with our mixture. As you can see, it's a little bit off. And now for the moment of truth. I'm not going to take it out of this container just for the sake of demoing this, but we're going to take this magnet and see what it does with the slime. As you see, it does pull apart with it. If you have a stronger magnet like a neodyllithium, it will actually pull it away a lot farther. However, since we have a weaker magnet, we're not able to do that, but we are able to see it is kind of pulling on it a little bit. And now we have our final product, magnetic slime. As you can see, it's very gooey. I'm going to put my finger in here just to show you how gooey it could be. You can see how slimy it is. We're not going to take out the container because it's going to cause quite a big mess, and if you have a strong enough magnet, it's going to react to it. That's all we're going to have for today. Please stay tuned for more exciting videos from Patchogue-Medford Library. Have a good one.